Find the sum of the series 81 minus 27 plus 9 minus 3 up to over 729. The first thing to note is this is a geometric series with u1 equal to 81 and r equal to minus a third, because we are dividing by 3, or dividing by negative 3 for each term. So let's remind ourselves of the general formulae. un is equal to u1 times r to the n minus 1, and Sn, which is what we're going to want to calculate, is u1 times 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. And I'm using this form because r is, the magnitude of r is less than 1. We could use the other form, it would still work, but I prefer to use this one because it makes the arithmetic slightly easier. And the first thing to notice is we're trying to work out Sn. We know u1 and r, but we don't know n. So we need to find n. To find n, we've got to use the nth term. So we know that 1 over 729 is equal to 81 multiplied by minus a third to the power of n minus 1. Various ways to solve this. I'm going to use indices. 3 to the power of negative 6 is equal to 3 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 1 minus n. Because this is 1/3, that's a negative power, so that's 3 to the minus n minus 1, which is 1 minus n. The other minus has also disappeared, and the reason for that is because our answer is positive. And when our answer is positive, the power of 3 and minus 3 are both the same. So I can replace minus 3 with 3 here without changing the value. Laws of indices means this is 3 to the minus 6 equals 3 to the 5 minus n, which means minus 6 equals 5 minus n, and n is equal to 11. Now we know the value of n, we can work out S11 by substituting into the sum of the series formula. u1 is 81, 1 minus a third to the power of 11, all over 1 minus a third. Inputting that into our calculator, we get 44,287 divided by 729. So the sum of this series is equal to that fraction there.